I've never tried AceGamer controllers before, but their latest model, the T47, looks very interesting. It has some solid features like a 1000 mAh battery and customizable triggers. On the other hand, the Abxylute C6 is from a more prominent brand, and I like them. But the question is, which of these $30 controllers gives us the best value? Both are priced at $29.99 USD, so today we are going to unbox them, test them out, put them through gameplay, and then crown a winner. So let's unbox the Ace Gamer T47. I dropped something. We have a USB-C cable, product manual, 2.4 gigahertz dongle that says Ace Gamer on it. Check it out. We take it off and there's the USB port. It looks like an old flash drive. Here is the controller. It's pretty solid. It's pretty thick. It's a thick boy. It's well made. I like it. On the back, we have dual programmable buttons that we can actually lock in place. We can unlock them and lock them, which I think is great, because I ghost dial my back buttons all the time. So now I can't press them. And we can switch them back to turn it on. So look at that right there. We have switches here. We can switch them off and we can switch them on. We also have two-way triggers. Okay, I see it. Two-way triggers for a $30 controller. We have long press and we have short press. Not to mention we have RGB lights as well. As you see, if you turn it on, RGB lights in the joysticks. Beautiful. You love it. You love to see it. Here's a closer look at it. Now we have the Abxylute C6 right here. Let's open up this bad boy. They're pretty much the same exact thing. What? Alexa, stop. Now we have the Abxylute C6 right here, and they're pretty much the same thing. We have an instruction manual, not a product manual. USB-C cables, USB dongle, and here's the controller. This one does not have any back buttons. Look at this. No back buttons. So instead of turning them off, why not just remove them completely? And this one's a little bit lighter, a little bit more shaped like an Xbox controller. One has RGB, one doesn't. And there are some technical differences. They're both $29.99 USD, but the Ace Gamer here has a 1000 mAh battery. The Abxylute C6 has a 600 mAh battery. So you're getting a bigger battery with the Ace Gamer controller. You're also getting more buttons, different features like two-way triggers, and you can get it in a bunch of different colors like pink, galaxy, and a really ugly one that I want. The Abxylute C6 is only available in black. I think they call this the Aurora. So let's run some tests using the Ace Gamer Aurora. I could be wrong. T47 is what it says the model name is. So I'm connecting the controller via the USB dongle. Let's see if it picks up right away. Maybe I need to press the button on the dongle. Okay, so the Ace Gamer is not connecting to the dongle right away. So it looks like we have to pair it. Press and hold the controller A button, then press the home button for about 3 seconds for receiver pairing. The controller LED 1 and LED 3 lights flash fast. Insert the receiver into the device. Now let's put the receiver into the device. Okay, we did that. Press the pairing button of the receiver. After pairing successfully, the controller LED 2 lights come on. Okay, let's press the button on the receiver. Are we going to make a connection? We made a connection. Okay, it vibrated. We're in. It looks like we're having some issues here on the left trigger. The right triggers, okay. Not when we do short press, not when we switch them out. That's fine, that can happen with some controllers. But usually when you hold them down, it will go back up. So it's going to stop right there at about 0.76. As you see, that's the left bumper right there, the left trigger, I mean, at 0.76. Here's the right trigger. Now what I do want to test is if we can easily make it go to 0.50. I like it. This is a good trigger, very easy to use. 51, we're at, okay, go down a little bit, down one more. It's close enough, there's 51. We can like stay on 51. It's a pretty solid trigger. Now let's go to the left side. Of course, I'm right-handed and we're at 49. Can we get to 50? There's 50, we did it. With the hair trigger, look at that, beautiful. I like it, nice triggers. Now let's test the circularity of the joysticks. What we want is an average of 0.00, 0.7, okay. That's not great. I mean, it's not terrible. 0.7 could be better. So let's do that one more time. Okay, 0.7, it doesn't look like we can change the error rate right here. So 0.8. Not horrible, but not the best. 0.00 would be great. Now the last thing we have to do here is check the vibration, so I'm going to tap and it's vibrating. The quick little vibration right there. So the Ace Gamer T47 is looking good. I like it. But can the Abxylute C6 outperform it? Will this be a more streamlined process? I don't know. Let's turn the Abxylute controller on. Is it going to connect right away? Yes, and it connected right away. I didn't have to pair it. I didn't have to do anything, but it connected. And here we are. Look at this. There are the triggers, the bumpers, all 4 of these buttons pressed down, all 8 of them. Joystick buttons. Okay, and there are the joysticks. Looking good. Now with the triggers, I want to go to 0.50. Can I do it on the right trigger? Yeah, so that's looking good. Let's see, can we get the left side going? I went too far there. Can we get the left side going? We're close. We're 49.51, 49.51. Let's stop with the right side. Okay, let's get the left side. No, I can't do it. Close enough. Close enough. I like it. So I'm actually going to give the edge to the Abxylute here. These triggers are very smooth. Now let's see, let's test the circularity of the joysticks and look at that. 0.1, obviously better than the Ace Gamer. Let's go to the right one here, 0.1 as well. That's nearly perfect, almost perfect. The Abxylute C6 is going to pick up a win here. It's just a little bit better. We have better triggers, we have better joysticks, just by a hair. Sorry, Ace Gamer, you have more features and stuff. Okay, let's test out the controllers on a game. We have Marvel Rivals here, and we are going to start with the Ace Gamer. Scarlet Witch, come here. You're my only hope. You are... I can't get it to... you're not Scarlet Witch. Why aren't you letting me scroll down here? Cancel. I can't press all the buttons. Scarlet Witch, I need you. I don't know how to use this player here. We're gonna need to switch over to the Abxylute controller. Abxylute, save me. So for some reason, I'm having some connectivity issues with the Ace Gamer controller, but look at this. The Abxylute controller is smooth like butter, and we can change heroes. I'm saved. And look, hey, the joystick's working. Come here, Scarlet Witch. We did it. The joystick's working. Abxylute gets the win. It absolutely gets the win here. Ace Gamer, I hardly know her. These joysticks are pretty quick here. Where are you? They're flying in the sky. Okay, I see them. I see them. I'll fly. I can fly too, you know. All right. Stop shooting me from up there, buddy. Let's get him. We got him. But we also died. We got taken out there. So I'm liking this controller so far. It's pretty cold in my hand too. Feels nice. I have a good grip on it. It's like a slightly smaller version of an Xbox controller. It's a lot lighter too. Abxylute for the win. Absolutely for the win. Who do you think you are, Ace Gamer? You think you're an Ace Gamer? More like a Joker gamer. We're talking about cards and stuff, you know, like aces and kings and things. We got a KO there. Can we KO this person? Come here. Let's go help our teammate out. Let's go get the KO. Good job. The Rock thing, I think that's her name, like The Rock. We really need to do something. Start firing away. Kill that one. There we go. This person flying in the sky needs to die. That's okay. I took the death. I took the death. I'm trying to reclaim this area. They're at 99%. When we lost. We lost. We did not capture Hell's Heaven. When all is said and done, the Abxylute C6 performs better. It has better joysticks, it has better triggers, and it lacks connectivity issues like the Ace Gamer has. As you see, I'm playing with a wire, but it works fine with a wire. It is comfortable in the hands. It's a little bit thicker than the Abxylute. The Abxylute feels very nice though. Kind of disappointed that I had connectivity issues with the Ace Gamer. I do like how it looks. I do like how I can lock the back buttons. I like that it has two-way triggers, but unfortunately, it has connectivity issues, and what I want is a wireless controller, and this Abxylute's working great. So link in the description for both of these if you want to go and check them out. Thanks for watching. See you later.